Renia Ortec is a universal adhesive that was developed specifically for the orthopedic industry. This encompasses bespoke orthopedic shoemaking, of course, but also areas such as insole making, insole manufacturing, braces, AFOs, basically anything that involves foams mostly, and also compact materials such as polyethylene and polypropylene. Whereas many adhesives and also other Renia adhesives, of course, bond foams very well, Ortec even excels more on these materials because of its high solid content, which means that you only need one coat as opposed to two coats with many other adhesives on porous and absorbent materials. But, and that is the unique property of Ortec, it also has very good adhesion on usually very complicated materials such as compact polyethylene, compact polypropylene, copolymers, metals, some 3D printed materials that are very common nowadays in insole stiffeners, in AFOs, in braces, and other orthopedic devices. So, of course, we are not talking about structural bonding here, we are talking about contact bonding. So if you want to apply foam or another soft, pliable, formable material, moldable material to a solid and compact material, this is a great choice. If you are trying to join two pieces of polyethylene, of polypropylene, of metal, you are better off with a structural adhesive. This is not what this is. This is a contact adhesive. It is, of course, also toluene-free, MEK-free, like all Renia products. It has a clear glue line. It dries almost completely clear, so it is also easy to use without a glue line on bright or even white materials, as are very common in OMP. It has a medium open time of about 10 minutes drying time, minimum drying time, and up to 60 minutes cold open time without reactivation. Of course, if you reactivate, you can do that at any point over the next couple of days. Ortec has a slightly lower heat resistance than our other contact adhesives. Maximum heat resistance is about 70-75 degrees Celsius, not too much more. If you require more, especially for pulling materials that have been bonded together, vacuum forming them, we have a high temperature version of this. We're going to discuss this in a different video that is resistant to up to about 120, 130 degrees Celsius. As I mentioned, high solid content, so on most materials you only need one coat. There has been a growing number of shoe repairers that are also using it very effectively because it is a great adhesive for many thermoplastic rubber types. Not all of them. The best way to bond thermoplastics is still with our primer for TR, Riagol, and Cologne, but on about 80% of them you can do a very good job with Ortec, and it also works on all other shoe materials except vinyl and TPU. So it might be a good choice for that as well. It comes in packages of 1 liter, such as this one here, comes with a brush inside. We also sell it in 5 liter and 12 liter cans for the European and worldwide markets, whereas in the United States we sell it in gallons and 5 gallons as well, in addition to the 1 liter quart. Yeah, if you want to try it out, it's available basically through any distributor that deals with the OMP trade. It is also available through many wholesalers, distributors that deal with shoe repairers, with the leatherworking trade. So if you want to give it a try, it's a great product, and yeah, feel free to give it a shot.